I want to take a look at the different lines and line sizes in use on my Pearson 31-2. This is one of the original halyards. It's a rope to wire halyard. The tail's probably about a ½ inch. You can see the wire here. And that's what came originally in the boat. We've proceeded to replace those. What we have over here is the new jib halyard, using a line recommended by the rigger. This is T900, which is a Technora based line, and it's in a 5/16 size. Line's a little stiff, but you know, the jib halyard, basically we set it up at the beginning of the year, raised the sail, and it's never touched again, so a little stiff doesn't hurt. The big plus of this line is it stretches very, very little. It stretches a very small amount. That's why it's a good use for the jib halyard, and it's my intent to replace the main halyard with the same line, the T900 in a 5/16. Next to this is the jib halyard. What the rigger recommended for the jib halyard is a line called VPC, which is Vectran based. It's a little softer, more flexible than the T900. It's also sized 5/16, and its strengths are that it's soft, but fairly strong, and while it's not as low creep, a low stretch as the T900, it's a good deal cheaper. So certainly good enough for a spinnaker halyard. Over here we have the jib sheets that we use. These are the traditional Sta-set jib sheets. It's Sta-set's polyester double braid. It's very soft, very flexible. Works very well on our winches. Goes into the feeder self-tailer very nice. And we're using this line in a 7/16 size. When I bought the boat, the prior owner had ½ inch Sta-set, and I thought the ½ inch was too thick. This 7/16 worked out very well for us. I also have here the tow rope we use for our dinghy, which is also 7/16 size. This is actually polypropylene in the middle with a nylon cover, and its special characteristic is that it floats. The other key lines used here is a line I particularly enjoy, and that's the main sheet here. This main sheet is New England Ropes Salsa line. It's a 3/8 inch line, and its primary material is Dyneema, which is very high tech. The nice thing about this line is it's extremely soft and extremely flexible. You cannot put a kink in it. The original main sheet in this boat was a ½ inch Sta-set, and when you'd release the main sheet, it would not want to run out for the life of it. There's a lot of friction in the system. This the Salsa line runs through all the blocks beautifully, and yet it's very strong, and it absolutely never ever kinks. Plus, I think it's a great color. You gotta love the color, red, yellow, white, and green. So this is a wonderful line. It's called Salsa, and I highly recommend it for a main sheet for vessels that can handle this this size line. It doesn't come any larger than the 3/8 that I have here. And that's it. That's what we have for our primary lines. Most everything else, the Traveler is Sta-set. The reefing lines are 3/8 Sta-set. Reef, this is reef 1, this is reef 2. These are 3/8 inch Sta-set. And that's it.